So let's do this. Hi friends, today's a super exciting day because today we're gonna clean. First of all, I love cleaning. Secondly, I love filming videos, so it's like my two favorite things put together. My apartment has been a huge mess lately and I haven't been able to clean, so I figured today was the perfect day to do it and to show you guys what I do to clean my apartment, the whole shebang. Today's gonna be the best day ever. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click the lower red button. So the first thing I'm gonna do is show you guys what my apartment looks like right now. I have a million dust bunnies laying around. We have to get rid of those. Let's do this. Okay guys, this is the real deal. This is what my apartment looks like today, and it's a struggle. What the heck, Kennedy? What is that? Don't leave your toys laying around. That's not cute. This is just, it's a huge mess, and I apologize. But yeah, we're gonna deep clean and make sure this is all beautiful in a few hours. So, what? Kennedy. The first thing we need to do today is put on a comfy outfit. I'm wearing my K-State shirt and sweatpants. The second thing you need to do is gather your cleaning supplies. So today I'm gonna be using a glass cleaner, a DIY, a multi-purpose cleaner, also DIY, and microfiber cloths. I have 5 million of these, so we're gonna be using them all today. Enough with the chit chat, let's do this. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is clean the mirror and wipe all this down. Wow, I am such a professional glass cleaner. Look at that mirror, look at that shine, wow. Yay! We take everything off the table, make sure we shake everything off, and then wipe it down, get all the dust off, and put it all back on the table. So now we're gonna take everything off of this couch and vacuum it and make sure that it's fresh and clean. This couch gets so dirty all the time just because John and I eat on it. Kennedy lays on it. There's dust, hair everywhere. So, oh, what a rhyme. Okay, so then I just vacuum everything down. I spend hours vacuuming just to make sure that I get all the hair, all the fur, and yeah, I don't want my guests sitting on a gross couch. Like, who likes that? I hate when I go to other people's houses and I get dog hair on my leggings. Like, ugh. But I'm sure a lot of my guests have that issue when they come over because my dog sheds 24/7. So now I use a lint roller because a vacuum is not good enough. Like, I gotta clean this and I gotta make it look perfect. So then I put everything back and I lint roll all the pillows to make sure that they are perfectly clean. Spotless! Then I put everything back. Wow, look at the attention to detail. I put the pillows back, I stomp away, come back, put some more pillows on, and make it look perfect. Okay guys, so the most challenging part of the entire day has come right now. We're gonna try to move my couch to vacuum underneath. So here I am struggling to move the couch. What a struggle. Then I vacuum because there's trash everywhere. I barely move that couch. So yeah, this has been sitting there for like about 8 months. Then I wipe everything down to make sure I get all the dust, and I keep vacuuming because I'm just such a good person who loves to vacuum. Then I move the couch back to its perfect spot. Next tip I have for you is to listen to music, listen to a podcast, or watch something while you're cleaning because it will make it go so much faster. If you're just gonna do everything in silence, then you're gonna get really sad and bored and tired very quickly. You need to get pumped. You need to get your body moving. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing that we did to the couch, to the ottoman, to make sure that we clean behind them, that we wipe everything down, and that we go through everything that's under them, since I do have a lot of bugs down there. Okay, first I put away everything that's sitting out, such as this laptop that John left, and then I shake everything off the ottoman. I move them, just move everything so that I can clean the floor and vacuum everything just like I did behind the couch. And I spend some time doing this. I also use a lint roller on the ottoman. I wipe everything down and put the ottoman back to where they belong. I then wipe down all my books to make sure that I even like the books. And if I don't, then I'm probably just going to get rid of them. But I guess I decided to keep all of these books because I haven't read them. But if you are looking for a good book, you should read Educated. I'll link it down below. It is just really, really good. So check it out. I like to wipe down all my books to make sure there's no dust, and I reorganize them in a way that makes me happy. And I just add the blanket on the top and the pillows on top. I put my money tree back. Now we need to move on to the rest of the living room. Am I excited? Yes. Am I exhausted? a little bit, but that's fine. Hush, little Gabby, don't say a word. Wait, is that copyrighted? Hey guys, so it is actually the next day now. Yay! Cleaning was obviously too difficult for me. I got a super bad headache and I felt so nauseous all day long. It was a rough day for me, but it's over now. It is day 2 of cleaning this entire apartment. So we're just gonna get started. Literally, I have the biggest mess behind me. What is going on? So let's do this. The next tip is if you're feeling down and too tired to clean, then just take a break until the next day. You'll feel better, more energized, and ready to go. Also, disclaimer, this is my second time doing voiceovers ever. I am a professional cleaner, but I am not a professional voiceover doer, so just FYI. But anyways, I clean the shelves where my plants are and make sure that there's no dust or dirt anywhere because my plants deserve the best. And I do a little dance and I clean the mouse, the desk, the keyboard, everything off the desk. I spray it all down with my DIY cleaner. If you want the recipe, let me know down below and I will make a video maybe. We'll find out. Then I move the chair. I move everything off the rug so that way I can vacuum. I clean the other computer. I clean the wall. I clean the desk. I dance a little more because, you know, that's me. I'm a professional dancer. I vacuum everything. This vacuum is actually not very good for rugs or carpet in general. So here I am struggling. But I mean, you do the best you can and it works. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, then I move everything back to the desk and then I wipe all the chairs down. Love you, Cuckoo. Oh, yes. So cute. I just realized that the kitchen is super messy and I knew this, but for some reason I thought it would be super easy to clean, but why? We're just gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Yay! Oh my gosh. We're gonna move these and vacuum. It is so important to vacuum your kitchen as much as possible because food gets everywhere and you do not want bugs or roaches or ants. So I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, just think about my life, figure out what I want, who I want to be, and then I'm gonna get back to it. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited to clean this up with you today. Okay, if I'm being honest, our kitchen's not usually like this. This is like the worst it's ever been. I don't want you guys to think we're like super gross and like sloppy, but I had to clean something today, so I was like, might as well just make a mess and clean it up later, you know? We're gonna start by clearing off the counters and then we're gonna do the dishes last because I hate the dishes. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by removing everything off the counter, putting everything where it belongs. Then I start by doing the dishes because those dishes need to go. So you just wanna get everything out of the sink and make sure that it is clean and ready to go for the next round. They always say your life is like how your mind is and like how you're feeling. So I think my life is just, my mind's feeling insane right now, which is why my life is just a huge mess. Before I continue with the dishes, I'm gonna clear off the counter. That way I know exactly what needs to be washed and what needs to be put away. I don't like just throwing things back in the cabinets if they're dirty. So I just wipe everything off and then I put everything back in the sink that needs to be there and I spray it all down. I get the walls, everything to make sure that it is clean and perfectly perfect for me to start doing the rest of the dishes. Make sure you wipe down the wall because the food splatters onto it and that is just gross. You do the dishes really quickly, as fast as you can. Here I'm moving at 120 miles per hour, so make sure you're doing really, really fast and yeah, you don't waste your time because there's so much to do and so much to see. Wash everything. Make sure I do an amazing job. Use warm water. Don't use extremely hot water because you will burn your hands and you won't want to do the dishes ever again. Trust me, I've been there, done that. So just wash it all and set on a clean towel. That way you can dry the dishes and make sure they look perfect. So then we start drying the dishes. Make sure they're completely dry before you put them back in the cabinet. I am guilty of not always doing this just because I'm lazy and annoyed. I don't know. So make sure you put them back and that they look great, and then you hang up the towel. Just kind of put things back where they belong and give the counter another wipe just in case. Then we're gonna fill up the soap bottle because we're already here in the kitchen, so might as well do it, right? And I'm using this little orange one, but that's just what I'm using. Then I wash the sink. That way it's perfect and spotless. I just use soap. Like, it's pretty basic, and then I just rinse it all and it looks spotless. Look at that shine. Yes, girl. So then I remove everything, wipe down the other counter as well as the stove, the microwave, just to make sure I really get it all. And I use a glass cleaner for the stove top. I wipe down the walls, the knobs. I just get it all, honestly, and I do the best I can. I also wipe down the handles of the cabinets and the microwave. Just make sure I get it all and that things aren't gross and sticky, because I know it can be easy to do that and to avoid cleaning the microwave because it sucks. But yeah, you have to do it. Then I just vacuum everything in the kitchen. There's always dog food, just rice, random things laying around, so you need to make sure you get that all. Hey, we're done with the kitchen. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the before and after, and I'm gonna show you one last look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any cleaning tips, or if you want me to make a video about my natural DIY cleaning products. That is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay. Wow. Don't look at me like that. What? What? You love cleaning?